ago, there was a big garden. In that garden, there were trees of mangoes, guavas, bananas, and grapes. Birds chirped, deer and rabbits played, and monkeys kept jumping around. That garden was like a paradise for all the animals. On those trees lived a jaggu monkey. He was strong and quick but very naughty and proud. Helping others was out of question. He actually enjoyed troubling them. Sometimes he snatched carrots from rabbit and sometimes he threw fruit on the baby elephant's head and laughed. In the same garden lived a small Meena bird. She was very kind-hearted and wise. The Meena always advised others with love, but the monkey always mocked her. One day the weather was very pleasant. The mangoes in the garden were ripe, their fragrance had spread everywhere. The monkey climbed up the tree and said,
I will finish all the mangoes. Today everyone will stay hungry.
He started plucking mangoes and throwing them down. He ate some himself but wasted many raw and ripe ones. The Meena flew over and said,
Brother Monkey, you should not waste God's blessing. Like this, if you wanted more mangoes, you could have eaten them peacefully. But wasting others' share is wrong.
The monkey laughed and said,
Little Mina, your brain is as small as your wings. I am powerful and you try to teach me?
Hearing this, the Meena became silent, but in her heart she thought.
Pride always brings harm.
Evening approached. Suddenly, black clouds covered the sky. The wind began to blow hard. Birds flew back to their nests, and deer and rabbit hid in their burrows. The monkey looked up at the sky and said,
What can this rain do to me? I am the strongest monkey in this forest.
But when the wind grew stronger and thunder roared, he became worried. Quickly he made a small hut of big leaves and branches and sat under it. The Meena saw this and said,
Jaggu brother, this hut will not withstand such heavy rain and wind. Come to my nest, I have built it strong.
The monkey proudly said,
Go away, little Mina. I do not want your nest. Take care of your own nest first.
The rain began first light, then heavy. The wind blew and the sky lit up with lightning. The leaf hut the monkey had made broke in no time, and rain poured down on him. At first he stayed quiet, but then he got wet and started shivering. Meanwhile, the Meena sat comfortably in her nest, which she had tied firmly with twigs. Her chicks were safe and sound inside. The monkey kept trying to rebuild the hut, but each time the wind blew it away. The Meena called out,
Brother Monkey, did not I tell you not to be proud and to build a strong shelter with hard work? Come stay with me until the rain stops.
Ashamed, the monkey slowly came near the nest. With wet fur and shivering body, he looked completely helpless. He said,
Mina sister, please forgive me. I made fun of your words. I used to think that I was the wisest. But now I realize that the real wisdom is with you. I am so sorry.
The Meena smiled and said,
Never consider anyone weak. Even little birds can achieve great things with wisdom and hard work. Pride always causes harm, and advice should never be rejected.
The monkey bowed his head and promised that he would never trouble others again, nor waste God's blessings. The rain stopped, the clouds cleared, and the garden became green and fragrant again. From that day, the monkey changed. He began helping others. The animals in the garden accepted him as their friend.
So, dear children, pride and stubborn put a person in trouble. That is why we should never be proud or stubborn about anything. It is wise to listen to others' advice. A small bit of wisdom can protect us from great problems. Never think someone is less because wisdom is not about size or age. So I hope you all enjoying our video. If you enjoyed it, so like, subscribe and share. We will meet in our new video. So Allah Hafiz children.